So today I am gonna be organizing my bookshelf. I sit directly in front of my bookshelf because of my workspace, so it's behind me. And if I have online meetings, this is what's behind me. This right here. This whole space I'm gonna be organizing and decorating more in a way that fits well with me and also promotes productivity. It is a great space that I can utilize for storage, somewhat, but also I don't have a lot of books. I don't have a lot of physical books because I've been traveling a lot and moving around, and books are heavy. But I do have a lot of ebooks because I still love to read. But talking about books, Audible has a promotion right now where they're giving 3 months free for a free trial of Audible, and it's especially because of back to school, so take advantage of it because I don't know how long they're gonna have this, and this is like 3 months where you can try Audible out for free. Definitely check it out in the description box below if you want. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take everything down. All right guys, it's been emptied. I'm gonna rearrange the appliances down here, but I didn't want to move them onto the floor since they're already close to the floor. And as you can see, there is a whole mess going on right now. A whole mess. But it's gonna get better, Sometimes you have to start with a mess to get better. And at the top of my bookshelf, I've kind of left it for bags and stuff until I can get a dedicated, stand for bags. So what I'm gonna do is work on the top shelf right now, and I'm gonna use this for the main books.
Every woman on here that's a businesswoman, you need to find somebody that's Wall Street savvy.
So I read online where you can arrange your books like from the biggest to the smallest. Pretty basic that in terms of size. Some of the thin books, since they're falling down, I'm gonna put them on the lower shelf. Maybe on the next side. I'm trying to focus on books and writing stuff first before other things. And this book is a borrowed item from one of my church pastors. It's called The Heavenly Rest, and this book is, I believe, 168 years old. Pretty ancient and highly valuable. I'm really grateful for this loan, and I'm trying my best to complete it because it's Old English, right? It's 168 years old. That means that the English in that time is definitely different from English that we speak now. And I have to read it like intentionally, like read it and reread it. I'm like talking about thou art, or kind of like King James Version Bible writing. So yeah, but I really cherish this book. So I'm not gonna put this behind because I want to keep this out front just to remind me to complete reading this book. I'm not a decor expert, but I'm learning because I want to. So it's like home building, homemaking, and homemaking is for single people as well. So I'm doing that right now. So in my apartment, it is really white. There is a dominant white hue. And I was talking to like a decor productivity expert, and she mentioned that, April, you're gonna have to try to put more colors into your space, especially colors that helps with your creativity, maybe even some plants, like things that represent life and creativity around me. So I'm gonna be looking for more things like that. So friend, this is what I have going on right now. As you can see, I still have the two big middle sections to fill out, and they have a lot of space there, so I want to utilize them well. But this is a gift that I got from the students from my former school in Hyen. This is the degree that I have that I don't use right now, but it has been very useful for my life and in what I know now, so I do treasure it a lot too. If you're decor savvy, and you definitely can give me some tips on to how you decorate your bookshelf, let me know. Let me show you what's going on.
Queens don't run the kind of women that you're running with.
Okay, friend, I had to take a break, and I also needed to go and do some engagement on one of my clients' accounts. So I did that, and now I'm back because I really want to finish this today. But I like how it looks so far. It's looking well. It's looking much better than I had before. So this is encouraging. Just keep going, keep on going. Just keep swimming. OMG. So I don't know if I keep it, but I do need something to keep like my pencils and well, my pens and pencils and stuff close by. So it'll be like this for now, but not forever. I don't even know what's going on here. I have some Jamaican money. I'm embarrassed to say what the currency rate is compared to the euro, but it's my Jamaican money. Look, some coins and a bill, which I am keeping. We will get better in the name of Jesus. I need to make a new vision board. That's a new project. Create a new vision board, because vision boards are really helpful. Okay, this is from my grandma, and she passed away late last year, so needless to say, I'm a little bit emotional seeing this right now. It's done for today. I was tempted to feel as if I didn't do such a good job because I don't know. I don't know what I expected it to be, but it's real life, and I'm a person with stuff. Maybe some stuff that I need to figure out what to do with it or to get rid of. Watch this video about my night routine in order to get into a productive morning the next day, or this video that YouTube thinks you may like. I look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day.